Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a key area of the insurance industry, the underwriting process. Whether you're with an independent agency, a brokerage, or a risk management firm, fine-tuning your underwriting approach can yield great rewards, not only by minimizing risks, but by strengthening trust with clients. In this video, we'll walk through practical tips to improve your manual workflows, enabling you to streamline tasks, communicate effectively, and make better decisions without relying on complex technology or automation. Let's jump right in. Let's start with pre-underwriting, your foundation for a smoother, more efficient underwriting process. In this phase, preparation is key, and by setting up a robust structure, you'll reduce time spent on repetitive tasks and last-minute data gathering. First, ensure you have a thorough pre-underwriting checklist in place. This checklist should detail all the essential documents you need from the client before underwriting begins. Consider breaking down requirements by policy type to avoid confusion and make sure every team member has access to it. Clear and concise documentation can make a world of difference. For instance, having a checklist of client-provided documents, like prior claim histories, financial statements, or risk exposure data, can eliminate unnecessary follow-ups. Imagine a client providing all necessary forms up front. Your team's time is saved, and the underwriting process speeds up. Next, establish risk assessment guidelines that are accessible and easy for underwriters to follow. Create summary guides for the common risks associated with each type of policy, from health insurance to property insurance. Training underwriters on these guides helps them categorize and evaluate risk more effectively, providing a roadmap that's invaluable for both experienced and newer team members. Consistency in your review process is essential. Inconsistent reviews can lead to mistakes, disputes, and wasted resources. By implementing a standardized approach, your team can avoid these pitfalls while building a more reliable, streamlined workflow. Begin by standardizing risk categories for each type of policy. For example, define clear criteria for classifying a policy as low, medium, or high risk. Use historical data to create baselines that make classification quick and consistent. This not only improves your underwriter's accuracy, but also reduces the likelihood of subjective or overly cautious decisions. For high-risk policies, consider implementing a peer review system. This can be as simple as a brief discussion or a quick double-check on complex or large policies. A fresh pair of eyes can catch nuances or overlooked details that might otherwise slip through. By building peer reviews into your process, you add a layer of quality control that's efficient yet effective. Additionally, case summaries for complex policies can be valuable. A short written summary on a challenging policy lets other team members quickly assess and provide input, turning peer reviews into collaborative solutions. Communication with clients is an often underestimated part of the underwriting process. Clear, regular updates not only improve client satisfaction, but also prevent future disputes. Think of it as proactive risk management. One effective approach is to set up structured client check-ins during the underwriting phase. A quick touchpoint can clarify details, address questions, and make sure both parties are on the same page before the policy is finalized. These updates help clients feel engaged in the process, which builds trust and prevents miscommunication. Before finalizing, consider offering a pre-policy recap. This doesn't need to be an exhaustive review, simply a brief rundown of key terms, exclusions, and deductibles. Studies show that clients who receive a recap are more likely to feel confident in their coverage and less likely to raise disputes later. This clarity at the outset saves time and fosters positive client relationships. Finally, add a frequently asked questions (FAQ) section to your client communications or onboarding materials. Anticipate questions that often arise during underwriting and include concise answers. This saves your team time, reduces the number of calls, and makes clients feel well-informed. Data is a goldmine, even when approached manually. Leveraging data from past claims, renewals, and client profiles can provide insights that improve risk assessments without the need for automation. Start by creating summary reports on claims trends. For example, if you notice a pattern of frequent property damage claims in specific geographic areas, integrate this into your risk assessment. These summaries enable your team to make informed judgments that reflect real trends and give you an advantage in risk evaluation. Another powerful tool is the Risk Journal, an internal log where underwriters document unique cases or noteworthy risk factors. Over time, this journal grows into a resource that underwriters can reference, reducing the chance of mistakes when similar cases arise. It's especially useful for onboarding new team members, offering a real-world learning tool. Additionally, consider conducting periodic reviews of underwriting decisions. By examining which policies resulted in claims and comparing these to the original underwriting assessment, you gain a clearer picture of your agency's accuracy. It also provides a natural feedback loop, helping underwriters refine their judgment with each review. Implementing these strategies doesn't just benefit your underwriting process. It reshapes the way you engage with clients, reducing risks and building stronger, more trusted relationships. A well-structured process reflects confidence, consistency, and clarity, all crucial qualities in the competitive insurance landscape. Through better pre-underwriting preparation, a consistent review process, transparent client communication, and manual data insights, you're positioning your agency for sustained success. And what's more, these manual improvements don't require costly tech solutions, keeping your operations efficient and adaptable. At Logan IT Inc., we understand the complexities that come with running a successful insurance agency. We're here to support you with customized solutions for tasks that enhance efficiency, build trust, and maintain excellence. Reach out to learn how we can assist with underwriting, client management, and more, so you can focus on delivering the best to your clients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.